Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to share your screen in Microsoft Teams in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys, of course we need to log in our account, and after that guys we need to start a meeting right away. Okay, you just have to click this camera button, that one, and start a meeting. Okay, so you just have to wait for a sec guys. So after that guys, in order for us to share our screen, as you can see on the top right corner, there's a share button here. You just tap that one or click that one, and screen window or tab, you can share your screen. Here I wanted to share this tab, the YouTube tab. Okay, and click share. So that's it guys. So you can, the people on the meeting will see the screen that you are sharing. Okay, so after that guys, we're good to go guys. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Okay, thank you.